Okay, so I'm doing a PA on New Zealand buy, New Zealand USD buy or New Zealand yen buy. So as you can see that New Zealand is overall is a uptrend. Then this one looks like a continuation. Here there might be some huge level over here, but for that over here the sellers tried and it failed. So New Zealand USD actually we can consider going long for long term trend continuation. Can actually consider buying here and just let it run up.
Market
here.
data connection lost.
It's really possible now, possibility.
Market data connection re-established.
But it's just that it's a long time frame. Longer time frame it might take some time. 0.4 okay, so the main thing is that the they also can bring this play into here. More still continue.
Market data connection lost.
So the main thing is this morning how I trade is that in the morning I see
connection re-established.
The price was here. I was actually thinking of going long New Zealand because of the interest rate increasing 50 basis point. So New Zealand USD it just went up over here. Like as you can see, it came out here. This part here came in with very high volume, and when these sellers got killed, price took out eventually. So the main thing is how the volume acts. Here sellers. Then I actually tried to sell here. Came back up, and then it fails again. When you come here, I actually can go long here over here. Usually the stop loss here lah, but it's kind of big, so you want to time it properly. When you go, you put a stop loss here, then you just okay. Entry wise, where can I enter? Over here. This is what I see. Over here also can you can enter over here. Over here when he fails, he came down, go back up. Maybe he can enter over here. So he went up. The main issue is the New Zealand yen. What I did is we can see is overall is uptrend here. Sellers failed, refresh, get his refresh, try again. So this level is clear already. He tried, and here he tried again, then it's going up. So actually you can buy here. Tomorrow morning actually can go long New Zealand Japan, or maybe you can even buy right now. Or I can go long New Zealand Japan. I don't mind going long tomorrow. Here this level he tried, he failed. So this level is not significant anymore. He tried once, tried twice, still fail. Tried multiple times, still fails. So actually can go long now. Let's just try demo account. So going long. So tomorrow's trade can be New Zealand yen go long. Okay, nice. Got one trade. Then say in the morning, there's actually very multiple trades. First of all, it looks like it's going to break on top. Then over here the sellers. Over here in the morning I could have bought here, sell here, came back down. Here can I even It came down deep, I got out here. So when it come down here again, okay. Now I'm thinking, so when he tried, this came in high volume, came down here, he tried, come back up, he tried again, come up, tried, you feel maybe you can enter here or here, you stop loss just, you know. So like show me that he failed multiple times. Potentially I can enter here and I take it up to here. There's another one trade. Okay. That's all lah. Overall, what I could have gotten like 7R, 8R, 9R in the details. Volume, the thing is volume helps a lot in analyzing, but when it came in high volume and it fails, then you can prepare that it will launch. It will launch big. That's how it works. Then I think I can go long now, but actually tomorrow morning when it came back down, you still can continue going long. I mean, when it close big, then okay, looks good. So what did I learn this lesson? The main thing I think is just that I'm not comfortable counter trending. Not comfortable counter trend. First of all is when it came back up. It's not even counter trend. It came back up strong, came down, fail. Try again. I think technically you can go long here. I don't understand why it's scary. So it's like what I mean here says the guy tried again, fail, try again, fail. Actually can go long. Stepping. It's
connection loss.
Similar with New Zealand yen over here. Stepping. So this level is really not a concern. Actually can go long. Okay. Need take note on this stepping reaction. You can create new order now. 82.35. 82.35. Okay, cool. Tomorrow we see how. Especially when it's still positive. Okay.